How to model mathematical variables and formulas in Excel. In Excel financial modeling, variables are typically represented as cell references within a spreadsheet. A cell reference is a unique identifier that Excel uses to locate a specific cell within a spreadsheet. For example, the cell in the first row and first column of a spreadsheet is identified as A1. To use a variable in a formula, you would simply reference the cell that contains the variable. For example, if you wanted to calculate revenue based on the price and volume of a product, you might use a formula like equals B2 asterisk C2, where B2 represents the price per unit and C2 represents the volume of units sold. This formula would multiply the price per unit by the volume of units sold to calculate total revenue. In financial modeling, variables are often linked across multiple cells and formulas to create a comprehensive financial model. For example, revenue may be linked to cost of goods sold, which is then linked to gross profit, which is then linked to operating expenses, and so on. By linking these variables across multiple cells and formulas, you can create a dynamic financial model that can be easily updated as inputs change. To link cells and formulas, you would simply reference the cell containing the input variable in the formula for the output variable. As these input variables change, the formula will automatically update to reflect the new values. Overall, Excel makes it easy to represent variables as cell references and link them into formulas for financial modeling. By using this approach, you can create a flexible and dynamic financial model that can be easily updated and modified as needed.